Hello and welcome back to Twisty Cuisine. Today we're bringing you delicious baked rice with chicken. It is very easy to make, doesn't require a lot of efforts, less messy, and delicious and yummy to eat. Let's get started. First we will marinate the chicken. Take 2 pounds of boneless chicken, add half tablespoon cumin powder, half tablespoon paprika powder, 1 teaspoon ginger powder, half tablespoon garlic powder, half tablespoon red chili powder, 1.5 tablespoon of salt, and 4 tablespoon of olive oil. If you don't have olive oil, you can use any oil that you like. And then mix it and leave it in room temperature for about 1 hour. Take 3 cups of soaked rice in a pan which you can use in an oven. We're soaking the rice because we're using basmati. Whichever rice you're using, follow that instruction. And now place the marinated chicken on top of the rice. Spread it out evenly. Add 2 cups of chicken broth and 1 cup of water. 1 tablespoon vinegar. 3 to 4 anise flowers. Mix it once before putting it in the oven, and then preheat the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake it at that temperature for about 1 hour until the water has dried up or the rice has softened. Delicious baked rice with chicken is ready to be served. This amount of serving is enough to serve 6 to 7 adults. If you make baked rice differently, please let us know in the comment section below. We would love to hear from you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed yet to our channel, please do so and hit the bell icon to receive our new twisty recipes every Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays. Thank you. Goodbye.